In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a team that you could use for one of your core classes. I'm going to go up here at the top to join or create a team. Once I've joined the Teams app, I'm going to select Create a Team. This is a class, one of my 6 classes, so I'm going to select Class. The name of the class, remember we're going to use the course name, so Computer Literacy. This is my ABEL, and it's for the 22-23 school year. You can write a description if you feel that would be helpful, but it's not necessary. And then I'll click Next. I'm not going to add any students at this time. I could add some fellow co-teachers. That way, if I'm out of the building, another one of my colleagues could run or post something if necessary. However, at this time, I don't have anybody else in the computer science pack, so I'm going to just leave that open right now. I could always go back and add that later. Say skip. And just like that, my course is created. Now, the first thing I want to do, because I like to be able to easily identify my teams from this page, and just having these little colored blocks with letters, I don't find that helpful. So I'm going to go into my team here, and I'm going to change the team picture. Immediately you can see a lot of pre-built icons, and some of them are great, some of them are not so helpful. You can also upload a picture. So often what I will do is first I will go into just a web browser and I will type computer icon images, something like that for my course. And maybe ABEL, I'll use this image. So once I have this image pulled up, I can right click on it and say Save Image As. And I'll just toss this on my desktop right now because I'm not going to need to keep it for very long. Once I use it, I can get rid of it if I'd like. I'll click on Upload and look for that picture on my desktop. It's not showing up. Let me go find it. I figured out why the first one wouldn't work. It was not saved as the appropriate type of file. It must be either a JPEG or a PNG file. So I went and found another one. So now when I go into Teams, you'll see that it shows up. I can click Open, and it's there. I can select that one to use. I could also change my class name if I did something wrong. Maybe I don't have computer literacy ABEL. Maybe I have it CBEL. I could change that. And I'll click Update. And now the image is updated. And when I look at my team right here, I can easily see that's my computer class. Now, obviously, if you teach multiple sections of computer literacy, you're going to want to try to find 4 different computer-based icons so that you can easily identify each class. But again, you do have the course name with the bell right here, so that helps as well. Once I have this course created, now I'm ready to create the 3 required channels. So I'm going to click on the ellipses. I'm going to say Add Channel. The first channel is number 1, Course Overview. Automatically showing everyone's list and add. The next channel is called Homework Assignments. And automatically show that in everyone's list. And finally, the third one is called the Plus Portals link. And add. And this course is ready for me to start posting content. I'm going to go back to all teams and show you how simple it will be to create another section of this same course. I'm going to say join or create team. It's a class. And this time I'm going to say create team using an existing team as a template. Will hopefully save me a little bit of time. The course that I want to use, oh, here it is right here. Now notice it hasn't updated my icon yet, but this is the course that I want to use as my template. And I'll say choose team, and the class name that I want to call this will be bbell. Notice that messages, files, and content won't be copied. I'll have to set those up again, but the tabs, the settings, and different apps that I've added would transfer over. I'll create the team. Again, it's asking me if I want to add students or teachers. I don't want to do that at this point until I build my course. I'll say skip. And just like that, I have my second course, and these tabs are already there, which is really nice, these little channels. I don't have to add them again. I can also edit this image, put a different picture for bbell if I would like, something like that, just like I did a few moments ago for my first course. Again, I'll show you how simple it is to use a pre-built image. It's already here in the list of options. And say update, and just like that, it changes the picture. You can change that as many times as you need. And now I have 2 courses set up in under 7 minutes.